everyone. I am here to talk a little bit about Professor Peck's 7th lesson plan about graffiti art. I personally enjoyed his lecture on graffiti art because of my professional background. It was interesting to determine the difference between graffiti and mural painting, and just him explaining the types of graffiti was very interesting. Professor Peck talks about spray paint graffiti. He talks about sticker graffiti, and then there's a wheat paste graffiti. I did not know that there was that many forms of graffiti, and it was really interesting to see the difference. He also talks about the two neighborhoods where there's more graffiti in the city of Chicago. One he talks about is Pilsen, and the other one is Wicker Park. There are similarities and differences between these two neighborhoods in the city. Peck describes the graffiti that goes on in Pilsen as more inspirational graffiti, to give out a lesson and to teach individuals in that particular neighborhood a way of life, to be positive. Whereas in Humboldt Park, there is more graffiti that is like more art-based and more abstract. So I found that interesting that there's different types of graffiti in different types of neighborhoods. He also does talk about, excuse me, he also does talk about mural painting and graffiti and the differences and the similarities between those two. With mural painting, sometimes it is done with spray paint, and sometimes it's hand painted as well, and sometimes it's a little bit of both. The reasoning for this is because with mural painting, you are allowed to paint in that particular area, so you could spend more time on it, whereas graffiti is illegal. It is artistic, but it is against the law, and that has to be done more quickly. So usually that's done the majority of the time with something quick, such as just spray painting or stickers or the wheat pasting onto the wall. Overall, I found this lecture to be very interesting. I'm really excited to learn a little bit more about graffiti, since I deal with it in my profession, and I'm really excited to see the following videos. I'll see you guys later.